It's a fight for survival for residents of Mumbai's Campacola compound. With the eviction deadline ending today, BMC is all set to demolish the illegal floors of the 7 buildings, even as political support pours in for these residents. The Chief Minister rules out any intervention in the matter, and that has made the fight much tougher for the residents.
The ray of hope is dim for these people as the deadline for them to vacate the Campacola compound in South Mumbai has ended. And the BMC workers will soon storm into their property to begin the process of demolition.
Each and every teenager of this compound is fighting. My daughter is 4-year-old. 4-year-old. वो बोलती माँ हमारे घर क्यों तोड़ रहे हैं? माँ पुलिस अंकल क्यों कुछ नहीं कर रहे?
Only 10 out of the 96 illegal flats have been vacated so far. And despite the Chief Minister ruling out intervention, the angry residents claim that they won't give up their fight.
I think we are totally right. We are not asking for anything which is illegal or which is unjust. We are just asking for what is legally ours. And if truth prevails, I'm sure we will get a positive reply from the CM. We are going to fight tooth and nail. We are not going to let anyone demolish our premises because, as I told you again, this is not my house, this is my life. And no one can just snatch it away. You know, and the whole thing is what really bothers me is that you're going to demolish this building and you're going to give my permissible FSI, which is legally mine, to the developer next door so that he makes another tower and sells it for profit. What justice is this?
Meanwhile, their struggle has turned political, with Shiv Sena, Congress and the BJP coming out in their support.
If you can make 1995 a cutoff for slums and then pursue and then for your vote bank change that to 2000, that requires political will. Why can't you have the same political will for the middle class? Now you have the options, you have the route of ordinance, you have the option of 22M, and if the Chief Minister has the courage of conviction, he will ensure that he speaks up for this 750 people.
We all are trying desperately to save Campacola compound, you are aware of that. And we want that in the legal framework, this Campacola compound should be protected at any cost.
I have power for what?
But for now, the Chief Minister has ruled out the option of passing an ordinance, and the countdown to vacate the illegal flats has ended.
They are saying that the Chief Minister, by not wanting to issue an ordinance in their favour regularising the buildings in Campacola, has just gone to show that he is more bothered about saving his clean image than coming to the rescue of 800 residents who are about to be rendered homeless under his watch. In Mumbai, with Vijay Megha Prasad for Times Now.